Hey everyone, welcome to this new video on 10 foods to boost immunity by Healthify Me. My name is Aruna Prasad and I'm a nutritionist. I have done my masters in nutrition and biochemistry and I have been guiding people on food and nutrition for the last 11 years. Now let's understand about our immune system more. Immune system is basically a complex network of intricate stages and pathways in the body. They help us fight diseases and protect us against harmful microbes that we are constantly exposed to on a daily basis. Our immune system is influenced by an ideal balance of many factors. Food is one of the contributing factors. Having said that, there is no one nutrient or food or a nutritional supplement that can influence its overall functioning. However, what definitely helps is balanced eating, which includes a range of nutrients combined with lifestyle factors like adequate sleep, regular exercise, and low stress levels, which could effectively prime the body to fight infection and diseases. If you have been facing compromised immune functions, then let us first understand the factors that could depress our immune system. And here's my first factor, which is age. Aging is associated with micronutrient deficiencies. This, along with the reduced efficiency in the functioning of the immune-related organs like the thymus or bone marrow, further adds to compromised immune function. The second factor is stress. Cortisol, a hormone produced during stress, can impact the immune system during chronic conditions. Now coming to the third factor, which is toxins. These could be environmental toxins like smoke from air pollution or excessive alcohol or other substance abuse which suppresses the normal functioning of the immune cells. Fourth factor is insufficient sleep. Cytokines released during sleep is essential to fight infection. Insufficient sleep can alter cytokine levels, further affecting immunity. Fifth factor is chronic diseases. Autoimmune and immunodeficiency disorders. They attack and potentially disable the immune cells, further reducing your immunity. The sixth one and the obvious one is obesity. Low-grade inflammation and obesity, along with impaired function of T cells in people with excess body weight, can impact the immune system responses. Seventh factor and the area of our interest for this video is poor nutrition. Poor nutrition and food choices can impair the production and activity of immune cells and antibodies. Diets high in processed foods and low in variety or lower in nutrients can actually negatively affect a healthy immune system. Refined sugar, excess intake of animal meat, especially red meats, and foods low on fresh fruits and vegetables can disturb the gut microbiome levels, which is associated with immunity. Gut is a major site of immune activity and the production of antimicrobial proteins. Food that we eat plays a large role in determining what kind of microbes live in our intestine. Certain helpful microbes called the probiotics break down fibers from fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, also called prebiotics basically. They break it down into short-chain fatty acids which have been shown to stimulate immune cell activity. Therefore, a diet rich in both prebiotic and probiotic present in fermented foods is beneficial to maintain a healthy gut and in turn immunity. Now, let's understand what are our top food picks to boost immunity. The first one is turmeric. This yellow spice, rich in curcumin, which gives it the characteristic color, is a potent antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory effects. Remember to use turmeric along with pepper for better absorption and assimilation. They work best in your tadkas and cooked foods or with a glass of milk than as a morning water-based elixir. My second pick is ginger. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger are the reasons behind its immune-boosting properties. Grate it, let it get exposed to air for a few seconds to further enhance the properties and then use it in your cooking or even to make your homemade concoctions or in your masala tea to reap maximum benefits. Third superfood to boost immunity is garlic. Allicin, the active component, can mostly help prevent common cold along with boosting your overall health. The fourth superfood to boost immunity is raw honey. The antibacterial properties of raw honey for itchy throats have been an age-old tradition in most Indian households, right? So bring them back without worrying about calories if you're actually looking at giving your immune system a great boost. Citrus fruits are my fifth pick. Orange, Musambi, kiwi, amla is mostly everyone's favorite. They're rich in vitamin C, which is known to have immune boosting properties. Oh, by the way, you could also do a glass of fresh lemonade every day to reap benefits from vitamin C. Now, the sixth superfood is home-set curd or plain yogurt. As mentioned earlier, the presence of live positive bacteria is the sole reason to have the simple superfood to boost your immunity. If you're a vegan, you can try the other vegan options like kefir or other plant-based fermented options. My seventh superfood to boost immunity is ginseng. Ginseng tea is not just great to taste but also to boost immunity. It has been used as a treatment for upper respiratory tract infections like basically common cold and has shown to significantly reduce the symptoms. My eighth superfood to boost immunity is nuts. Vitamin E in nuts like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, pecans, cashew, or even in seeds like sunflower, pumpkin, chia, or flax is crucial to fight off sickness. And there was also a study which suggested that 50 mg of vitamin E consumption by cigarette smokers could reduce the risk of catching a cold by even about 28%. Now let's move on to the next food, which is basically all the protein-rich foods. It could be chicken, egg, fish, dals, legumes, paneer, milk. These are all rich in proteins. This is an essential nutrient to boost immunity. Amino acids present in protein play a role in forging immunity. Make sure to have at least one of these sources in all your meals to work on your immune function. My last superfood pick for this video is water. Sufficient water intake is important for the circulation of oxygen and nutrients to every cell, including the immune cells. Staying hydrated also can help loosen trapped mucus during sickness and support quicker recovery. Now, what's important is to pay attention to the serving sizes of these foods. Overdoing just doesn't help. Remember, no superfood can work in isolation. They work the best when they're combined with other beneficial foods. So, social distancing, maintaining hygiene, and taking your recommended dose of vaccinations are still essential. Lifestyle modifications can definitely take you a long way in maintaining positive health, which also includes a healthy immune system. And now we have reached the end of this video on top 10 foods to boost immunity by Healthify Me. We hope you find this video useful. Let us know in the comment section if we missed out on any other important immune boosting foods. You can chat with our coaches on WhatsApp for anything related to health and fitness. Click on the link in the description box below and start your consultation now. Like and share this video if you found this useful. If you have not subscribed to or followed our Healthify Me channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe or follow button. If you're on YouTube, hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from Healthify Me. Thank you for watching.